everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Tasso and today I've got a battery pack. It was something that I've been worrying about for a while with all the new equipment that I upgraded last year. It's primarily to protect from all power failures or surges, I didn't want to spend too much money, so this was an economic approach that a friend had been using for a while, and their experience with it has been faultless. Plus they recently replaced the battery pack without any issue, which is a positive for me because you want to keep this for a while. I know it's not a lot of money, but you want to set and forget essentially. So I don't consider myself a tech head, but all I want is sort of a plug and play approach. I get lost easily when there's no well thought out step-by-step guide, so I'm over to YouTube to sort of follow someone else's experiences in opening up and setting up. So as a consumer, all I want to know is how long will it stay on, how well it will protect my gear. The main reason for getting it was we've been recently getting into some wild storms, and I've been shutting down in fear of a power failure. So on my wish list was that I needed something that would allow to power down my Synology NAS automatically, which I can set up later, and hopefully if I get enough time to put it into this video or another video, it'll allow me to shut down and save my work, and shut down and ultimately save my equipment. So how long do you need for a home studio setup? 5 minutes? 10 minutes? This unit gives some broad estimates. For example, to power an all-in-one PC, it says back here, gives some marketing spiel here. For an all-in-one PC, it says about 80 minutes. That's a long time, but you may need to experiment and monitor the battery usage and do a dry run to make sure it all works. Another stat the APC shows on their packaging is the laptop which I have, a media server, which is the NAS. It says about 36 minutes here, so that's an estimate. So look, I like this unit because there are 8 outlets. There are 4 battery backup with surge protection, and the other 4 is with surge protection only. So I reckon that's okay for what I need to get familiar with these kinds of devices. So I needed to decide which equipment goes on the outlet, which is easy for me. Battery and surge will take my laptop and NAS and display, and that probably leaves one more for any other important equipment to go on. Like I said, this is a good budget approach for $220 Australian, maybe less if you wait for a sale. Okay, so that was a pretty uneventful unboxing, but straight out of the box, bit of plastic, bit of cardboard to hold it in place. But look, it's very heavy, and so the battery pack is where all the weight is. So what we'll do is set it up and see how we can set up the Synology Drive to recognize it and all that kind of stuff. Questions that I had when I was researching, and obviously when it was recommended to me, was that could I leave this on the ground? I can wall mount it, but you know, because I'm in a home studio, I don't want to wall mount it because we may need this as an extra bedroom at some point, so I may need to move out, so it can't be fixed. So you know, a quick Google search says don't leave it on a carpeted surface. Or flammable surface, so you just got to be logical about it. And I just got a couple of little small shelves that this is going to sit on, close to my NAS and close to my laptop. So yeah, let's jump over onto the laptop and we'll start setting it up. So here's my setup. See that the Synology NAS is situated on a small shelving unit. Below is the UPS, and if we move in a little bit closer, you'll see that the data port is connected through to the NAS, and we'll just move the camera around to show you that through this cable chaos. Turn it around and you'll see that it's connected through to the USB-A port in the back of the NAS. So let's just have a look at the DSM. Here we are in the DSM. Going to Control Panel, going to Hardware and Power, and you'll see here in UPS, I've currently got Enable UPS support, and it's currently under USB UPS, so that's the way it connects. So what it's saying here is if the power goes down, in about 5 minutes, shut down the NAS essentially. And I have received emails when this happens, and when the NAS is back up again, I also get an email notification. So you'll see, just press apply, and it's as simple as that. You'll see that it is connected, estimated battery. So there's a fair bit there. So yeah, pretty straightforward. That's about it for today. Hope you enjoyed the unboxing and the setup with the Synology NAS. Like and subscribe so I can grow the channel. And until next time, be well.